Worms are a significant cost to production on a cattle farm. If we rely only on older single-active drench chemicals, we will lose productivity because they are not effective enough against all key worm species. Experts recommend we include dual-active drenches in our animal health program. Cydectin Platinum is a powerful dual-active pour-on cattle drench registered and sold in Australia. Many older products have been tested on worm strains decades ago. Cydectin Platinum has been tested on recent worm strains. Recent total worm count trials showed Cydectin Platinum treated cattle were worm-free 14 days after treatment compared to the untreated control group. Fecal egg counts 14 days after treatment were also zero compared to the control group. No adverse effects were observed in any cattle. This table summarises a total worm count trial with Cydectin Platinum. Treated and untreated cattle running together in the same paddock were sent to slaughter and worms counted to find out exactly how well the drench worked. The column with numbers under the heading Control shows that untreated cattle maintained a mixed burden of worms. No worms were found in the Cydectin Platinum cattle 14 days after treatment, as shown by the zeros for each worm species. This meant 100% efficacy against each worm type. Worm egg count testing also showed 100% efficacy compared to the controls. Cydectin Platinum was also put to the test under real-life field conditions in a series of fecal egg count reduction trials in Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria. Cydectin Platinum was found to be highly effective against worms at multiple trial sites when compared to single-active drenches 14 days after treatment. This graph shows the results at 5 trial sites. At 4 of the sites, Cydectin Platinum, shown in grey, was compared to doramectin, shown in blue. Cydectin Platinum was 99 to 100% effective at the 4 sites, while doramectin pour-on performed poorly. At one site in Queensland, doramectin pour-on was 0% effective, while at the Victorian trial site, doramectin pour-on was only 52% effective. At 2 of the sites, single-active ivermectin, shown in yellow, was compared to Cydectin Platinum. At both sites, ivermectin performed poorly. At the Mount Pleasant trial site, Osteotargia, Capuria and Homunculus worms were all resistant to ivermectin. At Uralla, Cydectin Platinum was compared to single-active moxidectin. Cydectin Platinum was 99% effective compared to 88% for single-active moxidectin, to which Capuria resistance was identified. Dual-active Cydectin Platinum is the new standard for pour-on drenches in Australia to ensure highly effective worm control against all key worm species. Cydectin Platinum also has persistency claims. Field trials showed cattle treated with Cydectin Platinum had reduced pasture contamination for 21 to 35 days compared to untreated controls. It is important not just to clear worms from cattle, but to reduce egg production in the manure onto paddocks. It can be estimated that the untreated control animals may have contributed over 2 million eggs to the pasture per animal per day. Cydectin Platinum provides the power of 2 actives and persistency in one new product to treat the animal and the paddock. Cydectin Platinum provides unrivaled worm control with the convenience of a low-volume pour-on, persistency that reduces paddock contamination for 21 to 35 days, no known impact on dung beetles, short meat withholding period and a short export slaughter interval. It has been developed, tested and manufactured right here in Australia, helping to protect our local jobs and economy. Speak to your local rural store or veterinarian about including Cydectin Platinum in your cattle health program.